Hey, what's up, gingerbread and jelly beans? So, pretty much everything in my life seemed to be falling apart, including my editing software, which is Adobe Premiere Pro. Just to be straight with you, I didn't pay for it. Um, I think it costs about $19.99 per month to use that app. Um, so that updated and it shut me out completely. So all my work and all my stuff that I edited is in that app and it's gone. Not saying that I can't, fix or I can't do over them because I know how to edit up here, so I know how to do all that again. But I'm just saying it shut me out, so I don't have anything to edit with. I'm going to try and search the web to see if I can find some crack or something, which is illegal, but yeah, who cares? But yeah, um, so I just wanted to let you guys know that there might not be any vlog anytime soon, and it's a Christmas season right now. Christmas is approximately 48 hours away, I guess. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm pretty much going to search around to see if I can find editing software. I know I'm supposed to drop a vlog tomorrow because I drop my vlogs Mondays and Thursdays and um, mini clips on the weekends. So I guess I'll be out for a while until I can get back editing up. Um, I guess continue support the channel, continue watch the old vlogs um, until I get back. I guess I'm going to see how loyal some of you are and stuff like that. But yeah, it's a bit stressing, but it's just life. I'm just going to sleep it off for the rest of 2015. So, here what peeps. Merry Christmas when it comes. Happy New Year when it comes. Enjoy the holidays with your family, your friends, and just have a good time. Party, drink responsible, drive careful, use a seatbelt, and much love too. No, big up on yourself, same way. Big up all the people that support my vlogs. My jelly bean, Stella, Love, Culture, Mashup, Erica, Miss Advice C, Auntie Chrissy, um, Gary Seaway. I'm just off the top of my head. Shameless, big up yourself, same way. Simone, big up yourself, same way. So, thanks for supporting me. So, I guess until then, until I get back my editing app and stuff like that. So, as you can see my face, I'm just tired. Life, my life, my story. But again, enjoy people. This will take about 8 hours to upload because it hasn't even been rendered or anything. So just the thought of just uploading this little clip running into a couple hours, like 7, 8 hours to just upload this clip. But yeah, it is what it is. It's life. So yeah. Bye bye people. See you in 2016, I guess. Whoever is still here by that time. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I just have to see who is here when I get back. Adios.